Hi and welcome to this Comp School How To. Today we're going to look at how we can separate values in a cell with a diagonal line. So what we're going to do is start off by selecting a cell. We'll start down here in the middle somewhere. E6, and I'm just going to change the alignment so it's center. The first thing I'm going to do is add my values, and they're going to be 17 and 24, and I just separate them with a space at the moment. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that diagonal line. So if you right click on the cell as it's highlighted, oops, try again, there we go, and select Format Cells, and it opens up the Format Cell dialog box. So I'm going to choose Border. And there we are there. We've got all the border options. I'm going to select the diagonal line and OK. And there we put a diagonal line through our cell. But it doesn't separate the values automatically. So we've got a couple more steps. So we're going to go ahead and highlight 17 up in the formula bar here. So with that highlighted, right click on that and select Format Cells again. And we open up the font box only, and I'm going to use superscript to put it up high as it were, and I'm going to say OK, and it moves that up high. So I'm going to repeat this exercise with the 24. So highlight the 24 in the formula bar, choose Format Cells, and this time subscript to put it down low, and choose OK. So when we click out of here, we can see that our diagonal line has separated the cells. Might just want to check on the alignment of the cell just to make sure that things are okay. Just add another space between that 17 and 24. Let me do that. There we go. Just to play around with the look of it. The other thing you can do to play around with the look of it is to alter the size of the font, and we can get it bigger. So that's easily how you put the diagonal line and separate the values. You can also read about it here at compschool.net on our blog. So looking forward to seeing you next time. Enjoy your Excel. Bye.